Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update the HyperX Cloud 3 firmware in 2026. So to begin with, the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless gets the firmware updates via HyperX and GenVT in order to improve the performance, stability and compatibility. So first of all, open your Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. Inside it, simply search for HyperX and GenVT. When you are able to find the software, click on the option of Get and wait for some time until it installs in your device. Now, once the installation is completed, you just have to plug the USB wireless dongle into your PC. Then simply connect your headset to the PC using the USB-C cable. Both connections are required for the firmware updates. Now you need to launch the NGenVT and wait for your headset to appear here on the dashboard. If it doesn't show up, you can reconnect the device or you can also restart the application. Now, once your headset is detected over here, you are going to see the option of firmware update. So you just have to simply select the option of the firmware update and afterwards click on the option of update. Now, when the update starts, just do not disconnect the headset or dongle during the process. The update may take a few minutes and once it is finished, you will see a confirmation message and your headset will now be running the latest firmware. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.